In this video, we're going to go over how Modo uses selections to change and edit the objects in our scene. Modo operates off of a very basic principle, and that principle states that whatever object is selected is going to get changed. If nothing is selected, then everything is going to get changed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. In my scene, I have a very simple model of a little teapot. Now, I'm in my polygon selection set, and I'm just going to select this little handle up here at the top just by double-clicking on one of the polygons. If I fire off the Move tool, I'm only going to move the selected polygons. So I've just selected the handle, so only the selected object is going to get changed. If I drop the tool by hit spacebar and then deselect my polygons by clicking out over here in the empty part of the scene, now I don't have anything selected. So if I go over to the Move tool this time, notice how everything gets moved. Okay? Let's do that one more time. Modo works off of selections. Whatever is selected is going to get changed. This time, let's zoom in a little bit closer, and I'm going to go to Edge Mode and select some edges along here. Now, if I hit the Move tool again, notice how only those edges are going to get changed. The rest of the teapot remains in the same location. But if I drop the selection by deselecting, and we do that by clicking in the empty part of the viewport, now if I was to hit the Move tool now, everything's going to get moved. One of the great things about Modo is that it works off of a principle of generality. All of the tools use some basic level principles, and so they all operate the same. So almost every single tool inside of Modo works off of this principle of selection. Whatever is selected is going to get changed. If nothing is selected, everything is going to get changed. So that's one way we can use the selections to increase the power of the tools inside of Modo. So just remember this principle. Whatever is selected is going to get changed. If it's not selected, if nothing's selected, then everything is going to get changed. Select the handle, only the handle gets changed. If nothing is selected like this, then everything gets changed. In our case, just moved around. So that's how we use selections inside of Modo.